Increasing the efficiency of our customers' plants has always been a key driver for Dieffenbacher. It's also the reason we developed the new CPS Plus. How does CPS Plus drive plant efficiency? Here are some examples. The double-hinge infeed system enables rapid heat and pressure buildup. The motor-driven adjustment of the rolling rod's infeed angle improves steel belt tracking. Interior and offset located cylinders ensure an ideal crosswise pressure distribution. The parallel press gap system makes possible an even and constant lengthwise pressure distribution. Sliding shoes enable thermal expansion compensation, preventing the cylinders from sliding on the heating platens. Strictly separated supply and maintenance sides provide open access for maintenance. Valve blocks beneath the press are also arranged to ensure easy access. The first CPS Plus installation produced first board in October 2016 at the Dieffenbacher site of Kronospan. Isn't it time to consider what CPS Plus can do for you?